everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and this is our card we're going to be creating today. So our supplies we're using for today, I'm using some thick Very Vanilla, and this piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and it's going to be scored at 5 1/2. I have a piece of So Saffron, and this piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. I have another piece of just regular Very Vanilla, and this piece is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. And then I have a small little 3/4 strip by 2 inches, so 3/4 by 2. My stamp set that we're using today, we are using the Thoughtful Blooms, and this does come with, there is a coordinating punch, and these products you actually earn. So I'm also using some of this metallic Baker's Twine and Sequins combo pack, and I'm using this So Saffron and So Saffron sequins in here. And again, this is a product that you earn. So for every 50 bucks you spend, you get to pick a free item. And this was one of my free items. So I love this. So our ink today, we are using Early Espresso and So Saffron. And I'm just going to ink up that swirly image, and I'm going to do that 2 times, and then I'm going to come in with that little flower, and there's different places that you can add your flowers, you guys. Now this So Saffron piece is going to be covered, so I'm going to punch out 4 of these flowers. And you can actually punch out a couple extra and add them on the inside of your card. But on this little piece, I just flagged. Now I am using, this is just a retired punch that I have. It was just sitting out. So I'm going to use that to make a little flag. And then I'm going to stamp the thank you right over there. I'm now going to add this using some multi-purpose liquid glue. And then I am going to use some liquid glue on the first flower. And then I'm going to use some glue dots to get the next flower on. And that's going to allow me to puff up the petals to give it that more like realistic flowery look. So pretty, you guys. Love it. But I'm going to actually fill in a couple more flowers here and there. Just because, why not, you know? And then I'm going to take the sequins, and I want these big yellow ones. And again, I'm just going to come with some glue dots. Oops, stick it in the middle. Oops. So I'm now going to attach this. Now on this one here, I did it at an off angle, but this one here, I just figured I'd put it in the middle. I'm going to fold my card base. Let's see. I cut this very skew. Okay, so can now, and again, I can add some of this twine if I wanted to. I can just make a little bow. My bow skills are shocking, you guys. Whatever. So I'm going to leave that off. Now I wanted to add this swirly goodie. And you know what? I'm going to add one at the top. And then add one at the bottom. Now I can add this to the front of my card. So pretty. And just two very different cards just by adding these little goodies. Then you can just go ahead and do the inside. Cool. Love it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you all back here on Wednesday. We'll see you then. Take care.